Good morning, I'd like to rent a car, please. Good morning, I'd like to rent a car, please. Good morning. Sure. Do you have a reservation? Good morning. Sure. Do you have a reservation? No, I don't. Can I rent a car without a reservation? No, I don't. Can I rent a car without a reservation? Yes, of course. What type of car do you need? Yes, of course. What type of car do you need? Do you have small cars? Do you have small cars? Yes, we have compact and economy cars available. Yes, we have compact and economy cars available. How many people fit in the economy car? How many people fit in the economy car? It fits up to 5 people. It fits up to 5 people. Does it have a large trunk? Does it have a large trunk? It can hold 2 large suitcases and a small bag. It can hold 2 large suitcases and a small bag. Do you have automatic cars? Do you have automatic cars? Yes, we do. Would you prefer automatic or manual? Yes, we do. Would you prefer automatic or manual? I'd like an automatic car, please. I'd like an automatic car, please. How long would you like to rent the car? How long would you like to rent the car? For 3 days. For 3 days. Would you like unlimited mileage? Would you like unlimited mileage? Yes, I need unlimited mileage. Yes, I need unlimited mileage. Where will you be driving? Where will you be driving? I will stay within the city. I will stay within the city. Do you need GPS in the car? Do you need GPS in the car? Yes, I'd like GPS, please. Yes, I'd like GPS, please. Do you want to add an extra driver? Do you want to add an extra driver? No, I will be the only driver. No, I will be the only driver. Can I see your driver's license? Can I see your driver's license? Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. Do you have an international driving permit? Do you have an international driving permit? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can I have your ID or passport? Can I have your ID or passport? Of course, here you go. Of course, here you go. Do you have a credit card? Do you have a credit card? Yes, I have one. Yes, I have one. We will block a deposit on your card. Is that okay? We will block a deposit on your card. Is that okay? Yes, that's fine. Yes, that's fine. How much is the deposit? How much is the deposit? The deposit is $300. The deposit is $300. What is the daily rental cost? What is the daily rental cost? It's $50 per day. It's $50 per day. Are there any extra charges? Are there any extra charges? Only if you return the car late or without fuel. Only if you return the car late or without fuel. Do I need to pay for insurance? Do I need to pay for insurance? Yes, basic insurance is included, but you can upgrade it. Yes, basic insurance is included, but you can upgrade it. What does the basic insurance cover? What does the basic insurance cover? It covers accidents and theft with a deductible. It covers accidents and theft with a deductible. What happens if the car breaks down? What happens if the car breaks down? We offer 24/7 roadside assistance. We offer 24/7 roadside assistance. Is there a fuel policy? Is there a fuel policy? Yes, please return the car with a full tank. Yes, please return the car with a full tank. Can I return the car to a different location? Can I return the car to a different location? Yes, but there's an extra fee for that. Yes, but there's an extra fee for that. Where do I pick up the car? Where do I pick up the car? The car is in the parking lot outside. The car is in the parking lot outside. What time should I return the car? What time should I return the car? Please return it by 10 a.m. on the last day. Please return it by 10 a.m. on the last day. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great trip. You're welcome. Have a great trip.